If you're just joining us, I'm Lucy and this is Mark. In 2018, we left Korea and now we have explored over 50 countries in our tiny home on wheels, TB.
Last time we drove through some rough roads and crossed no man's land between Morocco and Mauritania.
Cheese!
Only to find that everything was flooded. Oh, it's flooded inside. But in today's video, the weather only gets worse.
Do you know movie? End of the world. The end day. Oh my god. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Can we survive this dangerous sandstorm?
미쳤어 이거! Guys, look at this. This is the scratch mark from the trees in the Yama. Yeah, look at this. Good morning, TV crew. We are heading to Guida. It is 5 hours 15 minutes away from here. Hopefully we can get there today. Our goal is, that city. Hopefully we can safely arrive. You can do.
Yeah.
We can do. You can see on the Morocco, it's quite unique sky right now. You can see the cloud colors are pinkish and the brownish color, and here is a really blue. This is reflected by the desert color on the cloud, and then here is the ocean colors that reflect to the cloud. That's so cool. Where's the camera? 쟤 뭐해? 저게 지금 머리 긁는 거야.
He's got an itch.
itchy. 간지러워서.
아니야.
하이. 점심겸 저녁으로 왔습니다. 배가 고프니까. 야, 이거 진짜 큰데 생선. 먹겠습니다. 비스밀라. 비스밀라. 깔라마니지 아니다. 맛있어.
I've been told that time will heal all our wounds and our sorrows too.
Guys, a wind is crazy. Today is a long day to drive. It's 6 hours drive. Actually, I'm pretty much trashed again. I'm so tired. But after today, we're gonna drive tomorrow like a short, like 2 hours. So just like as long as we can bear this wind and this long drive, we're gonna reach the point that we can stay.
You can see the steering wheel is turning to the right as I'm turning left. Oh, it's crazy. Yeah, there's definitely some flat areas here in the park. I'm just gonna double check it just to make sure. It looks quite solid, but just in case, right? Whoa, windy. I think right here will be perfect.
We stopped for the snack today.
Today's snack is hopefully a big truck doesn't come off the other side. drive today, baby. For sure, huh?
내일은 더 심하다고?
Yeah. We have to go today. Tomorrow it's gonna be way worse. Today's gonna be really bad. Tomorrow's gonna be almost undrivable. 50 knot winds. That's like maybe, I don't know, 80 kilometers per hour winds. That's typhoon strength winds, baby.
우리 루프 벤트는 컸지?
Yeah. I should do one more inspection of our car before we go out, I guess. Just gonna get behind this wall real quick just to get some shelter. Just do a quick inspection.
Oh no. Good morning, TV crew. Today weather doesn't look good. It's so windy and you can see it's full of dust on the road, and Mark is covered with the dust because he went outside several times. Today is the last day to drive. Short hours, but with the wind, it will be a challenge for sure. And after today's drive, we are gonna take a break. I just pulled the muscle from my back today in the morning, so I think it's time to just chill and then recover our body conditions. So, are you ready to leave this dusty area to another dusty area?
Yeah.
Okay, let's
Not gonna be
go.
fun, right? Let's go.
Oh my god. Guys, you guys are looking at the beach. Yeah, I know, it doesn't look like a beach. Everything is covered with dust. You can see it's hard to see the city right now. It's amazing, right? Wow. Make it messy. Oh my god. People are walking on the dust right now. 세상이 멸종되는 그런 뭐지 종말, 세상 종말 같은 느낌. You know, movie, End of the world, the end days. Oh my god. 라운드바시가.
Yeah.
Wow, I didn't even know it. Oh my god. Can you even see? Oh my god. This is the road? Wow.
Continue for 9 kilometers.
Oh my god. Guys, this is crazy. Weather is getting worse. I cannot see anything behind of, no, not behind, in front of me, and then side, and the Mark side is the worst, and I have to scream. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What the hell?
Oh my god. Our light is on, right?
Yeah.
This is what we are looking at it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Tomorrow will be the worst wind than this, but this is insane. We don't want to leave tomorrow. Oh my god.
What?
Oh my god. 미쳤어 이거.
Wow.
미쳤어. I can smell the dust. Our travel never easy. Always challenge. This is crazy. I can smell.
Can you imagine how much dust is coming through our window right now?
Yeah, because our solar panel hasn't fixed yet. Because we are gonna fix it when we can anchor in a long place. But man, I am sure that we are gonna have it full of sand tonight.
Man, this is kind of scary, yeah? Holy smokes. What? Oh my god. Have you ever heard of a whiteout?
아니, 이게 뭐야?
It's when you have a blizzard, a snow blizzard, and it's so bright that you go blind from it, right? It's like being a whiteout from the sand. My god.
Please, TV, hold it together.
Alright. It's starting to get a little ridiculous now.
우리 앞에 차 있어. god.
I didn't see it, but
나도 못 봤다. Oh my god. 미쳤나봐. 안 보여. 저렇게 하면. 라이트를 켜라고. 제발. 브레이크 라이트 하나밖에 안 하지. There's another car too, both car. And this turns out to be a 4 hours driving, I guess. Oh my god. I think we're crazy. I never expect the things to be like this.
yeah. Oh
Oh no. Oh no.
shit. Wow.
Wow.
God.
Not bad.
What the hell is that guy doing? Oh, see that car come out?
Yeah. Oh wow.
Oh my god.
Oh wow. Oh wow. And then back there is the worst.
Wow. Oh, look at our bed. It's covered in dust. All the clothes up there are covered in dust. Everything is covered in dust.
Nothing much we can do. Huh? That's how you do van life. And with the leaky door. I think we don't need the composting toilet dirt, baby. Seriously.
Wow.
This window, our electronic cord, bed. Oh my god, I can see the bed.
Yeah, it's covered in dust, right?
You can clearly see. We're gonna go to the supermarket and buy some stuff because we're gonna anchor down the other campsite for weeks. I don't know. Yeah, we gotta do shopping. Guys, we just finished the shopping and then we can see the damage about the from the sandstorm. The headlight is like foggy now because sun was hitting so hard. Oh, that is really unique bicycle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's one of those sitting
Uh-huh.
bicycles.
So anyways, our headlight is like a foggy right now and we gotta work on it later. Buff it and then wax it, right? So it's a part of van life in adventure. Alright, let's go. We gotta go.
Back into the storm, baby.
All this time you thought we'd never pay the price.
Oh, there's tons of spaces.
맞네.
Nice.
그 플레이그라운드다.
Okay.
Guys, TV crew, we got into a campsite. Luckily they have a spot. We were kind of worried that there may not be a place for us. We are gonna stay for a few weeks and we are gonna catch up our editing. Since we went to Senegal, we didn't have a time to edit. We tried it, but it was not easy. So I think last video was 12 days ago. So I have to update with you guys that we still alive. So yeah, we are gonna work on that one. Before that, we have to clean up if we want to jump in our TV, because of the sandstorm today, everything is so dusty inside. So we are gonna pull out every stuff and dust it off, and yeah, make the home sweet home. 매종 sweet 매종. All right.
Hey, I wish you could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you. You don't even notice.
So
I told you straight away.
home sweet home.
You don't have to be
따란. 오. 야.
anymore.